नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today practical session about case taking, and in case taking we are going to discuss the miasmatic prescribing. What is miasm? What is the utility of the miasm? All these things we will be discussed here. Uncovering the layers. Layer means कौन कौन सी सप्रेसिव लेयर्स पेशेंट पर है, किस किस तरह के लेयर फॉर्मेट होती गई फिजिकल और इमोशनल सप्रेशन के द्वारा, एलोपैथिक ड्रग के द्वारा। सो क्या है इसके अंदर हम पढ़ते हैं। इट इज़ अपरेंट देयरफॉर दैट इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू अंडरस्टैंड द सोइल, द वेरी डिस्क्रेजिया ऑफ द पर्सन एंड द मियाजम विच रिप्रेजेंट्स द स्टिग्मा pollution in the system. This can only be corrected through anti-miasmatic treatment, and through such treatment the complete annihilation of symptoms and perfect restoration of health will ensue. So it is apparent that necessary to understand the soil means कि we have to understand the abnormality or basic weakness in the person, so that we can remove these dyscrasias or abnormal tendency of the body through anti-miasmatic homeopathic remedies. In order to make a miasmatic assessment, we need to uncover the layers of predisposing weakness. The skill of a homeopathic physician is to recognize the different layers present as they reveal themselves through the surfacing of symptoms. The remedy they select should not only cover the symptomatic totality as manifested through the surfacing of symptoms in the outermost layer, but also the miasmatic totality. In such a way, layer upon layer of predisposing weakness can be peeled off, taking with them the layers of suppressions and corresponding miasm. The removing of layer in contact with the miasm, in which we have to remove the uppermost layer of the particular miasm. Which miasm is predominating at present time? At present layer is related to which miasm? So we have to remove these layers after taking the case, after taking the totality of the symptom, and after that we will decide which miasm is predominant at present situation. Then we have to prescribe antipsychotic, antipsoric, antisyphilitic remedies according to the predominating miasm. So our prescription regarding the miasmatic prescription, MTEK is an useful memory aid to arriving at a correct prescription. MTEK is a short form of miasmatic totality of the symptom, essence and keynotes. By this short term, we can learn or we can remind in our mind the whole thing in miasmatic prescribing. So M indicate for miasmatic totality, T totality of symptoms, E essence and the keynotes or PQRS symptom. Make the miasmatic diagnosis, that is ascertain the surface miasm. मियाज़मेटिक डायग्नोसिस के अंदर मतलब ये होता है कि कौन सा मियाज़म, एक तो केस के अंदर कौन कौन से मियाज़म है उन सब की टोटलिटी हमें निकालनी है। मतलब जितने सिम्टम हैं, हाउ any symptom in a given case, we have to consider which miasm belong this symptom, or after that we have to decide one particular miasm at a present time in a predominating way. Assess the totality of symptoms plus essence plus keynotes and PQRS of the case and formulate the indicated remedy. Second point is the assess the totality of the symptoms, totality of characteristic, peculiar, rare symptom and the essence of the case, analysis of the case, and if we find keynotes and PQRS, then we make a complete picture of the disease of the person. Ensure that the indicated remedy covers the surface miasm as diagnosed in step first. Administer the remedy which encompasses miasm as well as the totality of the symptom, so that our medicine, after go through the detail of case taking, our medicine should cover the totality of the case along with totality of the miasm. Then we can claim the cure of chronic disease of long duration. We can claim, we can think about curing these diseases, and this is the process of unlayer your case. So thank you.